What is a story? A story is like a fun adventure in your mind. You create characters, places, and exciting events. 3 important parts of a story: beginning, introduce the characters and place. Who is in the story? Where is the story happening? Example, a girl named Ria lived in a big castle. Middle, add some excitement. What problem or adventure happens? Example, one day, she found a secret door leading to a treasure. End, solve the problem and finish the story. What happens in the end? Example, Ria solved a puzzle and found the treasure, making her the happiest girl in the kingdom. Let's make a story together. The magic pencil. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Arif who loved drawing. But no matter how hard he tried, his drawings never looked perfect. One day, while cleaning his school bag, he found an old pencil with golden stripes. It looked different from his other pencils. Curious, Arif used the pencil to draw a small bird. Suddenly, the bird flapped its wings and flew off the page. Arif couldn't believe his eyes. Whatever he drew with the pencil became real. Excited, Arif started drawing trees, flowers, and even a chocolate cake. Everything came to life. But then, he had an idea. His best friend Rohan had lost his school bag last week. Arif decided to help. He took out his magic pencil and carefully drew Rohan's lost bag. In an instant, the bag appeared in front of him. Rohan was overjoyed. However, Arif soon realized something: if the pencil could create things, could it also erase them? He tried rubbing the pencil on a stone, and poof! The stone disappeared. Arif now had a big responsibility. He could use this pencil for good or bad. Instead of drawing things for fun, Arif started helping others. He drew food for stray animals, books for poor children, and trees in his village to make it greener. One day, an old man saw him and smiled. He said, "You have used the magic wisely. The pencil will now return to its real owner." Before Arif could say anything, the pencil vanished from his hands. Arif felt sad, but he also felt proud. He had learned that true magic was not in the pencil but in his kindness and creativity. Moral of the story: talent and kindness are the real magic in life.